what's up? It's your girl Donnell. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how hot is too hot for collagen. Stay watching, I'll be right back. Now, I bet you're wondering, can I bake with collagen? Can I bake with collagen? Okay, so let me get to that. Yes, you can. Collagen is stabilized for up to 572 degrees. So if you're just gonna be putting it in your regular oven, you're fine. You can bake, or if you're on the stove and your stove gets that high, you can cook with it. The only way it's gonna get above that and you can't use it is if you what? Throw it in the fire? And I don't think you're gonna throw it in the fire, right? But other than that, yes, collagen is safe to use and safe to heat up to 572 degrees. You can use collagen 3 ways. Number 1, you can just cook with it, all right? You can bake it or you can mix it. And I've been doing a whole lot of mixing it in with different things on my channel. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It was just a quick pop in to let you know that yes, collagen is good for up to 572 degrees. I hope this video was helpful to somebody out there. And guys, keep the questions coming. Remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Until next time, mwah, ciao.